Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you what I picked up in my latest Morphe haul. Here is my big box. I'll show you each product and talk you through them and tell you how much they cost. I did actually pick everything up on sale, so be prepared for some bargains. There were actually 9 things that I picked up in my latest haul, and there's a selection of different products. But the first thing is this eyeshadow palette, and this is the 9J Just a Crush palette. So we've got the usual outside packaging, and here are all the shades. So a really nice selection of pinks and purples, mixture of shimmers and mattes. So there we are again. Of course it's got the mirror inside as well. And this eyeshadow palette actually retails at £12, and it was on sale. And when I actually picked this up, or when I picked up all these products, there was an extra 40% off sale items. So this palette actually only cost me £4.80. And A, for a Morphe product, and B, for a palette with 9 shades in, is an absolute bargain. I'm really excited to try these out and yeah, create some fun looks with this. So that was the first item that I picked up in my haul. The next item I picked up in my haul was this makeup brush, and this is the E34 Tapered Blush Brush. Let's get it out of the packet. So there we go, nice big soft brush, and I love Morphe brushes because they are just so soft and just so lovely. They just apply product so well, and this brush was originally £19, but on sale and plus the extra 40% was only £4.32. Now you pay £4.32 for some far, lower end or lower quality brushes, so again I think another great bargain, and I have been needing a new blush brush for a while, so perfect opportunity to pick up a new one. The third item in my Morphe haul was actually a highlighter stick, and it comes in this cute little box. Now this is in shade So Worth It. So again, just this little pencil here, it says So Worth It, and it's a gold highlighter stick. I've not tried out their highlighter sticks before, but the price of it just tempted me in. So before this was on sale, this should have been £6, which, very reasonable price anyway, but I picked this up on sale for only £1.80. So I thought, although I've never actually tried this stick from Morphe before, for £1.80, I didn't really have anything to lose, to be honest. So I'm excited to try this out for the first time and see how it looks. The next item in my haul, we've actually got another makeup brush, and this time we have got this one, and this is the R14 round contour brush. So again, nice, beautifully soft contour brush, and this was originally £13, but on sale it actually only cost me £3.60. So as I said for the previous brush, you pay this for other brands or even non-branded makeup brushes, and for £3.60 I just couldn't not pick it up. The next item I picked up in my Morphe haul was another eyeshadow palette, and this one also originally retailed at £12 but was on sale for £4.80. This is the 9V Vintage Rose palette. So of course, like the other one, it's in the same box. Again, we've got the mirror, and these are the pink shades. I think this palette looks stunning as well. So this is a more neutral palette, but there are a couple of pinks, and these glitter shades, to be honest, just look stunning. I can't wait to try these out and create some looks with this palette and obviously the other palette as well. So again, only £4.80 for this one as well, so absolute bargain. The next item, we've actually got a foundation this time. So this is a matte foundation, and this is from their Fluidity range. This is a full coverage foundation, which I always go for full coverage anyway, and it comes in this tube. I normally have pump foundation, so I'm quite interested to see how this one goes. This was on their website originally for £16, which was about what I'd pay probably for a foundation anyway. Not tried the Morphe one, but have heard and read good things, and this was on sale for £4.20. So again, I thought for £4.20, if I give it a go, if I don't get on with it or I don't like it, then I haven't ended up spending loads of money for something that potentially I may or may not like. The next item in my haul is my third and final brush I picked up, and this was the M77 Jumbo Crease brush. This was originally £8 but was on sale for £1.92. There were a few other brushes that were still available at the time that I bought my haul, and I think there are still some brushes available now, but I just needed a new crease brush, so picked it up, gradually trying to replace my old brushes, and I didn't really want to invest in an entire new set because they can be quite expensive, as you know, to get a whole new set of face brushes and eye brushes. So I thought if I just gradually replace a few at a time, then eventually I'll have a whole new set without having to spend loads at once. So yeah, excited to try out this and also the other two brushes that I picked up. The second to last item now, and this is actually a lipstick, and this is the Mega Matte lipstick in shade Lover. So very nice sleek packaging, again nice pretty packaging, and we have got that really gorgeous red lipstick. Now that is just stunning. You probably tell I'm a fan of a red lip, so really looking forward to trying this one out. And this lipstick originally retailed for £12, and this was actually on sale for only £3.60, so absolute bargain again, and I can't wait to try it out. Okay, and now my final item in my Morphe haul, and this is the final eyeshadow palette. Different packaging this time. This is the 9L Lavendaze. There's the outside. And there we have the really lovely mixture of purple shades. Again, we can see that there's some really nice matte shades and some really lovely glittery shades. So just as I said for the other palettes, can't wait to try this out. I love purple eyeshadow, and when I saw this on sale, I just had to snap it up. Again, it was originally £12, but on sale for £4.80. When I looked down on the website earlier, this one has actually sold out, but I think the other two palettes are still available, and there are still some other palettes available. When I picked up all these items, there was an extra 40% off the sale. So I think at the moment they are half price, which is still, you know, a great saving. I can't wait to try out all of these products. I've had a few things from Morphe before, and I always love their formulas and love their products. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be disappointed with any of this. I actually wanted to work out how much I had saved by picking up all these sale items, and if I'd purchased all of these products from Morphe at full price, they would have cost me £110, and I probably, to be honest, wouldn't have bought all of these products at the same time and spent, you know, £110. But on sale, they were just over £32 for everything, and I think I've done really well in this haul and on this sale. So if I have one bit of advice, if you like Morphe products, then definitely sign up to their emails, because they'll let you know when there's sales on, when there's extra savings on the sales, and you know, you could grab yourself a bargain too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next video.